Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Randi Cara Sutra, NPM 211606. I am the third semester of English Education Study Program at STK IPPG Lubuk Linggau. Okay, in this video, I will give my opinion about negative impact and positive impact of learning online. Okay, I think the negative impact of learning online is the first, students have difficulty understanding the material provided by the lecture. Second, lose experiences by students who live with minimal signal. And the last, there are some students who cannot focus on learning online because there are no facilities, so student activities are not managed, so the students are negligent. Okay, now my opinion about positive impact. For the first, to avoid the spread of COVID-19, online learning is appropriate. Second, easy for teacher to disseminate information. The third, the easy with which students receive information. And the last, save more time. Okay, that's my opinion about negative and positive impact of learning online. I hope all of this get better soon and stay healthy. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Herwanto in PM 2119012. I'm the third semester, subject speaking for academic purposes. Lecture Miss Ayu Oktaviani. I will provide opinions on the positive and negatives of online lectures and suggestions. Positive impact: learn to master technology and information such as Google Meet and Google Classroom. More time with family and simpler. Negative impact: socialization with friends is not solid, lack of understanding of lecture material due to lack of focus, and sometimes network constraints. Suggestion: if next semester you are still studying online, I hope that the class will be useful and will be more summarized in the delivery of the material so that the time is maximized. I think that's enough for my opinion about online lecture. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is Pujati. I'm from the third semester of English Education Study Program. My register number 211016. Okay, in here I will share my message and impression I got during online learning, especially in lesson speaking for academic purposes with my lecturer, Miss Ayu Oktaviani. Okay, I think when I'm study online, I have many time at home with my family. But I have some problem when study online, such as signal not support in my village. And I think studying online make me less understanding of the material being explained, because when my lecturer explained the material, sometimes my signal was gone, so it's not effective for me. But I will say thank you to my lecturer, Miss Ayu Oktaviani, because in this lesson she can understand that I have a problem with signal during the learning process. And if in the next semester we will learn study online again, I hope my lecturer will give me motivation to learn and to keep spirit when study online. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Julia Nur Fadila, NPM 2119022. Here I will give message and impression while studying online for subject speaking for academic purposes. So far, what I feel when learning speaking online is that I don't understand the material presented during Zoom because the internet connection is sometimes unstable, so that the delivery of the material is intermittent. My message: I hope the deadline for the task of making the video is somewhat extended, because when sending videos, we need a good connection, while the internet is often unstable, so collection becomes obstructed and can even be late. And if this online learning is still ongoing for the next semester, hopefully learning will be enthusiastic and the deadline for submitting assignments was slightly extended. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahmatika Sri Dewi Rizky. I am from class 3B. I am third semester student at STKIP PGRI Lubuk Linggau. Well, my first impression when I heard the news that learning activities carried out online was normal, because so far I have never done anything called online learning. But over the time, there are several positive and negative things from this online learning activity. The positive thing is that learning activities are more flexible because we don't need to go to campus, just stay on our gadget. But the negative is, of course, in this case, a lot of internet data is needed because of the use of learning application. Not only that, the signal of course very influential because not all students who live in the cities, even those who live in cities often experience signal difficulties, especially those who do not. So, in my opinion, when this pandemic is over, I prefer face-to-face learning because besides saving on expensive in the quota, of course, the material present will be easier to be absorbed.
My name is Eka Wijayanti. My register number 2119026. I'm from the third semester, class B. Okay, now I will convey my message and my impression during learning online in this third semester. Now, in this case, there is a negative and a positive impression. Now, the negative impression, I think it is not fun because in online learning are very boring, where we cannot gather with a friend and face to face directly at the time of learning. So, the positive impressions are the first is that I can study more relaxed, especially and I have a longer study time. Then the second is that I can study while working, that I can better understand the material provided by the lecturer. So, and the last is that I can do the assessment given by the lecturer carefully and concrete more on doing. Now the message for me that in fourth semester it is still online. That is, even though we study at home, we must remain enthusiastic. We pray that this epidemic will soon pass. Even though actually it's a better face-to-face, so we can have a direct discussion.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yani Zahra, NPM 2119029. I'm third semester of English Education Study Program at STKIP PGRI Lubuk Linggau. In this opportunity, I will give my impression and message while online learning for the subject speaking for academic purposes. My impression during online learning is responsible and fun. Online learning give a different impression about on the system, condition, and method used, because the unstable internet make the learning hampered. My message is, when giving assignment, using explanation that are easy to understand with the sufficient time limit, because sometimes that are conditioned by unstable internet. And if in the next semester we are still using online learning, I hope we have to keep up the spirit and work together between student and lecturer to make learning more active, innovative, and comfortable. I think enough for my impression and message. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nola Herlina, NPM 2119032. I'm from 3rd semester English Education Study Program of STKIP PGRI Lubuk Linggau. My lecturer Miss Ayu Oktaviani, SPD MPD. Baiklah, di sini saya akan menyampaikan pesan dan pesan selama belajar di rumah. Pesan saya, belajar di rumah sangatlah menyenangkan meskipun sangat terbebani oleh tugas-tugas. Menurut saya, belajar di rumah membuat siswa menjadi semakin bosan karena tidak bisa bertemu dengan teman-teman dan tidak bisa berinteraksi secara langsung. Pesan saya selama belajar online agar belajar lebih efektif, dosen seharusnya tidak memberikan banyak soal-soal kepada siswa agar siswa tidak terbebani oleh soal-soal yang diberikan oleh dosen. Pesan lainnya, sebaiknya kita harus menaati dan disiplin saat mengikuti pelajaran online. Di musim pandemi seperti ini, kita sebagai mahasiswa harus mengikuti peraturan pemerintah dan peraturan kemahasiswaan agar kita tidak terkena penyakit virus corona. Menurut saya itulah pesan dari saya. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, my name is Aifa Wahiningsi, NPM 2119033. In this video, I will give message and impression while studying online for the subject speaking for academic purpose. My inspiration is that so far has been that I have quite enjoyed the online learning system because the learning situation at home is more flexible and I can do other activities. But there is an obstacle that I experience is limited internet speed. And my message is when giving assignment, I hope to extend the delivery time because I experience is limited internet speed and not everyone has fast internet. And if this online learning continues for the next semester, I hope the learning will be more enthusiastic, fun, and not burdensome for both the lecturer and the student.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Devi Retnasari, NPM 2119036. In this opportunity, I would like you to give some impression message during online learning this semester, especially in lesson speaking for academic purposes with lecturer Miss Ayu Oktaviani, SPD MA. Okay, I say thank you to Miss Ayu Oktaviani, SPD MA, as my lecturer in this lesson. I'm very happy because I get a chance to learn in speaking for academic purposes. In this lesson, I get many knowledge and new experience. In this lesson also, I can get a new material. But there is some problem during this learning because we learn in online and we have some problem in signal. And sometimes also we can't to follow the class because we're losing with our signal. And sometimes difficult to us to know about the material have given by our lecturer because the explanation is not face to face. And my expectation in next semester is if we still have in online learning, we hope we can follow all of the material in the class without losing it because of signal. Even this is hard and difficult to predict the signal, but I hope we can follow all of the material well. And maybe sometime we can use another method in online learning. Okay, maybe enough this impression message. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Suci Sertika Isti, third semester English Education at STKIP PGRI Lubuk Linggau. To better understand how to speak English correctly, in the village of Lesung Batu Subdistrict, Rawas Ulu Subdistrict, Muratara taking online class lessons. Using the Zoom, Lark, and Facebook application is not good because of a lack of signal, but taking online classes is one way to avoid the coronavirus. The positive effect of using this online class is one way to avoid transmission of the coronavirus. And the negative effect of taking this online class is a lack of signal and understanding of the material presented. Understanding student better in order to better know what methods are suitable for students so that students can easily understand the material presented. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alia Febriani, semester 3 majoring in English. The purposes of this course online is to understand the measure well. The use of Zoom during this course in my area, Trans-Subur Village, Morakitan District, is very difficult because the signal is often distributed at first during the understanding of the material. But this step is used to cut off the transmission of this virus COVID-19. And the positive thing about virtual room action in reducing the spread of the virus, so we don't need to meet other friends. And the negative of this action is that it's difficult to understand the material and the pile of tasks, so that it makes me a little dizzy. And the next, the suggestion for next semester is we are still online, is that I hope the assignment don't accumulate too much, and this I hope that I will understand if I am late in collecting assignment and joining the virtual room due to unsupportive signals. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.